In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up international shipping on Shopify. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, to set up international on Shopify is you want to log into your Shopify store. So as you can see here, guys, I have like a few products, and as you can see, I'm going to select one of them. As you can see, now if someone wants to buy this product from another country like Europe or Africa, or they won't be able to complete the checkout because I didn't set up the international shipping. So what you need to do, guys, to set up international shipping on Shopify is you need to open your Shopify store, click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to select here shipping and delivery. As you can see, it says here general shipping rates. You just need to click on where it says manage, okay, and after that you will find here all your products, your Shopify products here. You want to scroll down a little bit. I'm just going to remove the zone that I have created because I want to show you guys how you can set up international shipping. So I have removed international shipping from my Shopify. Now to set up international shipping, you need to click on create zone, okay, and then you want to name the zone like countries I ship to. Don't worry, this zone won't be viewed by your customers. Your customers won't see this. And here you can click international if you want to ship to all international countries, but if you don't want, you can just select one by one. Select Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, France, Finland. Then click done. After you select all the countries that you want to ship to, click done. And the most important thing here, guys, is to add the rate. If you don't add the shipping cost, it says here no rates, customers in this zone won't be able to complete the checkout. So you need to add the shipping price, but if you want to offer free shipping, you just will need to add 0.00. Click on add rate, then here rate name, you want to add standard, and the shipping price, if you want, you can add 0.00 if you want. Okay, that's it. And then click save in the top right, and that's exactly how you can set up international shipping on Shopify. Hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.